Okay, here we are right around the corner of the house, or the office I should say. We got a customer. We're looking at the roof, overhangs, gutters, and siding. Okay, so we got to get the ceramic tile siding off. We've got a big window that they want here. We're going to end up with sliders, the same as they've got the old aluminum existing windows that are going to come out with the storm windows. The new sliders are going to be white inside and out. Overhangs are going to be white. We've got an area above the garage door here. We'll end up trimming this garage door also. Nothing on the man door entrance unless I hear different. So we'll leave this porch ceiling off as an option and do the rest of the soffits around the house. The garbage cans are going to be relocated to the other side of the fence, so there's no traffic area here. We're going to end up with an extension coming out past the concrete. There'll be a upper 2x3 downspout, which is the same size as that one, leading into this funnel, leading into a bigger 3x4 downspout and extending out here. We've got two sliders on the left side here. Excuse me. Because the customer eventually wants to concrete all of this in the back, get rid of the shed and replace that. On the upper we got two big sliders, one there and one here, and then we got a smaller slider here. Set aside an option for doing all of these double hungs inside the sunroom here. And then we've got a casement window here, which doesn't look too old. That I'd have to check on, see what they want to do with that little sliver of window up there. That we probably want to, well, obviously we're not going to replace it. So I got to see what the function of that is. So that's what we got. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 11 double hungs here. Two big sliders on the rear, which are going to be 4 foot wide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 4 each of them. And then we've got a casement here that is 1, 2, 3.5 high by 2.5 wide. The downspouts also on this lower port or lower sunroom. We're going to end up moving it, relocating these spouts to both be 3x4 also to deliver down into here. And then the downspouts on the side of the house for the lower gutters are going to be 3x4 also, because that's got upper roof line feeding into it. Maybe an idea to cut these trees. Actually, she could get NYSEG. NYSEG will cut these trees, branches anyways, along from her wires. That's actually their responsibility. And then we got an upper slider here that is 2 4 foot wide by 2 foot high, and a lower that is same thing, 3 foot by 2 foot high. And then we got the upper sliders here, which is 2, 4. You're about 4 foot by 2 foot. You got 2 of those. We got 3 of those on the front, all sliders. And then these big ones, we'll get the measurements on the big ones here. So there's nothing on the uppers, but we got a 2-layer tear off. Overhangs, gutters are the priority, possibly the windows right away.